back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson, for those of you who are new. You guys, I actually got my hands on Mielle's newest launch, the Moisture RX. That's what we're going to be diving in today. So exciting, right? I only picked up 2 things because I only got what I thought I was going to actually use. Like, I have products everywhere right now. So I got the leave-in conditioner, and I actually like ginger in my products, so I'm really excited about this. And I also got the moisturizing styling gel. So I ain't gonna talk forever. We're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna let you guys know my thoughts about it. This line is designed to give your hair the most optimal moisture, period. Yeah, like, it's supposed to come for the jugular. Off the bat, like, I can really say I always love Monique's packaging. I think she really takes time in the colors and stuff. And it smells real. Ooh. I don't know what this smells like. Why does this remind me of like one of my favorite candles or body wash or something like that? Ooh, it smells really good though. Like really, really good. So let's go ahead and start talking, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with the leave-in. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna pump it, if I can get it to pump. It ain't coming out. There it goes. Had to get a little juice up in there. So it's like a nice, what kind of like this? It's like a creamy consistency. Let's see what it's gonna do in the hair though. Oh, by the way, I use the, oh, I like this. I like this. See the slip? By the way, I use the rosemary mint to deep condition my hair. And then I wash my hair with the Kinky Curly Come Clean, because I wanted to make sure I didn't have any product buildup. The smell of it alone has me sold. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a little bit more water, just so I can make sure that this gel is gonna go on, and we're gonna start off on frizz free here. Okay, so I'm just gonna work that in just a little bit more, and that's warm water in that, because I kind of noticed that the leave-in was just kind of sitting on my hair a little bit. So I wanted to make sure it penetrates, because that's all I'm gonna be using up under the gel is the leave-in, and then I'm gonna apply some oil on top of that. So let's go ahead and get into this gel. So I'm gonna go in with the styling gel, and it's a thicker consistency. This is way thicker than if you're familiar with the other, yeah, the honey ginger. If you're familiar with that gel, it's way thicker than that. Okay, I am back, and these are my results. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so y'all can see the results. Look at that lighting, crazy. Turn to the other side. Okay, so I'm gonna get down to just keep it simple. I like the leave-in. It is a thicker consistency. So if you've used the other leave-ins from Mielle, this one doesn't penetrate as well. So for my sisters who have low porosity hair, and that means you need to open up your cuticle a little bit, you will have to open up your cuticle a little bit to use this. So I suggest, you know, warm water, open it up, then put it on, and it glides in like butter if you have a problem with thicker consistency leave-in. So my favorite leave-in from Mielle is the honey and pomegranate leave-in, and it is geared towards type 4 kinkier hair, so it was already great for low porosity or high porosity. It's fabulous. Check that out. I did a video on that as well. Now the styling gel, it wasn't my fave. I don't know how else to say it. I liked how to define my curl when my hair was wet. It smells like tropical paradise. The smell will blow you away. You will love the smell of this whole line. It's fabulous, okay? I think the line is geared towards moisture more than it is towards hold. However, I understand that. I would have just preferred for my gel to have a little bit more hold to it. This is day 1 here, and as you can see, I'm pretty much already at like my day 2 or 3 volume, but I like the volume. I don't have the definition. So if you're looking for a tighter definition and a tighter hold, then this one is not gonna be your friend. So yeah, that concludes it. I don't know what else to really say about it. I really was hyped up about it to get it, and then it was kind of like, it's okay. You know what I mean? It was okay. It was an okay launch. It didn't blow me away. I think for the name of the product, it's geared towards moisturizing your hair. So if you are struggling with dry hair, things like that, this is going to help. And it did do that. My hair is not dry. It's not, it feels very moisturized. So if that was the goal, they definitely hit that on the nail on the head. But my preference in a gel, especially for kinkier hair textures, we need a little bit more hold. I actually don't mind my hair drying crunchy and then me scrunching out the crunch. Like, I feel like that's when your definition is going to be there. You get a definition and then you scrunch out the crunch to get your volume, and I'm okay with that. For my finer texture sisters that are not as kinky, more curly, you might actually really like that gel because it does dry soft. I didn't have any crunch in my hair actually. So if that's what you're looking for, then this will be great for you. The kinkier ladies, like I said, it comes down to your preference. It comes down to what you like. I just personally, it wasn't my favorite. So I hope you guys like this review and demo. Let me know if you guys have tried the Mielle line for yourself, and let me know how you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'll catch you in my next video.